Woodworking is a fun and rewarding hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. In this video, we'll be covering some basic woodworking techniques and tools that beginners can use to get started. The first tool you'll need is a saw. There are many different types of saws available, but for beginners, a hand saw or a jigsaw will do the trick. Another essential tool for woodworking is a hammer. You'll also need nails or wood glue to hold your projects together. A power drill is also a handy tool to have. It can be used to make holes for screws or nails, and can also be used to drive screws and other fasteners. Once your project is assembled, you'll want to smooth out any rough edges or surfaces. A hand sander or a power sander can be used for this purpose. With these basic tools and techniques, you can create a wide variety of projects, from small items like birdhouses and picture frames, to larger items like bookshelves and tables. So grab your tools and start building. Remember to take your time, be safe, and have fun. Happy woodworking!